What's up, everybody? I'm excited for today's video. So today, as promised, we're working on the single cam, the EX Civic. What are we going to be doing specifically? We're going to be working on the interior today. So I have a bunch of interior pieces for today, so let me show you guys. We got like the boots for the shift knob, the actual shift boot for the shift knob, and then, ooh, damn, badass. Taking off the seal of approval. Damn, man, it looks cute, man. I don't know why I expected it to be bigger, a little bit bigger. It's so freaking clean though. I know I said it was small, I mean, at least compared to this, but I think in general it's a bit small. But even though it's small, man, I really love the feel. It's freaking smooth. I can grip the whole thing. The structure, the design, the quality, it's freaking amazing. So I can't wait to actually install it and get out and go drive it and see how it feels. But so far, I love it. Meanwhile, that chills there. I'm going to go get a screwdriver to take this off. It's pretty much almost off. It just has those two holding. All right, let's see. To be honest, a little short chubby should do it. A short chubby for the win. Another one right here. Now on the other side, it's the same thing here. And last one. Now just a little bit of convincing. This thing should be good. There you go. Boom. This crap came crashing down too. What the hell are these wires here? Should probably vacuum like real quick here. I'm not trying to leave it perfect clean, but it's good enough. So now to take this off. When I tell you that I seriously hate things about this car from the previous owners, I really mean it, man. See, this thing's not like a typical shift knob that you would just remove. It has this little locking, almost like a nut, if you will. And I couldn't figure out how to remove it. Try to fit a screwdriver in. These little holes that it has here, that didn't work. Literally took off this little stupid cap off. But I finally got it though. I just got a pair of pliers and now it's now it spins, so we're good. But you see, I was about to be here all night trying to remove this thing. That's freaking nasty. What the hell, bro? Oh, come on. Where the freaking threads? Ah. Well, I freaking tried. That freaking means that oh my gosh, bro. So the thread part of the lever change is broken. So that means that I'm gonna have to put that shift knob back. I can't install my hybrid racing badass shift knob. And then it's pointless to put the boot and the shift boot and the other little boots, the rubber boots on there. Like, I still can't wrap my head around the fact that the thread is actually broken. That means that I have to go buy a new lever change, new or used, doesn't matter, I'll figure it out, and install it, just to install my shift knob, when it should have been a simple unscrew, put the shift boot and the little other boots, and then install the shift knob. Like that, quick, easy. I had not unscrewed the shift knob until now, literally. So this is freaking new to me, man. I mean, oh, this car, bro, painful. The same shit was happening here when I was trying to install this hub. Jack at Powerhouse Motorsports was just as confused as I was. When I took it off, it had like 4 wood screws and stuff. It was like a mock-up hub preparing for a quick release. Brian and Jack, they knocked it out at Powerhouse Motorsports after some head scratching, I bet. So same shit here. I mean, dude, this is crazy, man. I mean, it's just a wood piece here. It has no freaking threads. It's broken. It's slanted. That's crazy, man. I mean, how the f, bro, do you break the threads off of this, man? This is unbelievable. Can finally take this crap off. Garbage. Oh man, this is crazy, man. Absolutely no freaking threads. I mean, this is crazy, man. I have to find this either from the junkyard or just buy new from Honda. I'm pretty sure this whole lever is probably like north of 150 or 120. I'm pretty freaking sure. this was seriously not in my plans. I was not planning on just showing you guys my shift knob and the shift knob accessories just to not install it. Just be like, oh guys, look, like I'm a blue ball, you guys. Like, look, I got this stuff and I'm not gonna install it. I mean, why would I do that? Why would I freaking do that? So it sucks, man. Sometimes things don't go your way, and this is one of those scenarios. So scenarios. So I guess I'll just put everything back really quick and tighten the screws and just call it a day. And then I'm probably gonna have to go to Honda, see how much the lever is, or just go to the junkyard and pull one out and then install the lever change, and then start from the point where I should have been, which there should have been a freaking thread on here. So this is this is crazy, man. This car, I'm fixing the bad and the ugly, and I'm turning into good and better. So I guess that's part of the process, right? Trying to take bad things about this car, things that have been done wrong, horrible, and I'm trying to do them the right way and make them look pretty at the same time. So let me clean up here, guys, real quick, and then I'll get back to you guys. I still can't believe that, man. That's freaking crazy. And then I launched this thing over here. I mean, there's nah, bro, there's no I mean, I guess there's a thread down there, but no, bro, this is like freaking I don't even want to look at this thing. I mean, now it all makes sense now. Look, it just goes down like that. I can still shift and stuff, no problem, but this is garbage, man. I still can't believe this, man. No freaking threads at all. At all. This car is painful to work on. Freaking painful. I'll save this for next time. Still can't believe it, man. Still cannot freaking believe what I just saw. Oh man, I'm speechless today for sure. Speechless. There. I'm not even gonna put the bolts back, man. I mean, I'm gonna take this off pretty soon anyways. I'm still in shock, man. How does one do that, man? That's freaking unbelievable, to say the least. Freaking 5:32, bro. Feels like it's like 9 or something. But anyways, guys, I finished putting back the shift knob that the car came with. I put the panels. I didn't even bolt them up right. I'm gonna be removing it soon. Hopefully soon, because you know how that goes already. And yeah, I just put the stuff back, the hybrid shift boot, and then the shift boot and the actual the shift boot insulators that go down the shift lever. So anyway, so that means that I'm gonna have to go to the junkyard or to Honda to go buy a shift lever. I checked on Honda, the shift lever is 220 bucks. I don't know how I feel about spending 220 on a shift lever that's gonna do the same as the one that's in the car currently. I'm not going for an OEM, all original, look on the car. So I really don't feel justified paying 220 bucks for a new shift lever. So I think I just might go pull one from the junkyard, which will be a pain in the ass trying to get it out at the junkyard. But we'll see. Still beyond me, man. Still absolutely beyond me how someone breaks that thread part of the shift lever. An insane amount of torque or force has to be applied, would have to been applied to break that tip off. But I don't know, bro. People do some crazy shit out there. So still crazy, man. I still can't comprehend it and accept it, but whatever. It is what it is. Something I didn't take that shift knob until today. So I'll take you guys with me to go grab some food. Also need to figure out why my dash lights don't work. Climate control neither. I mean, my lights are on, right? So I don't know if there's a short circuit or the fuse is blown. I'm not sure. I have to look into it. Well, no matter what happens, good or bad, you still gotta eat, man.
How many sandwiches?
Just one for today, boss. Thank you.
What kind of bread?
I'll take. Got my Subway. Time to go back home. Looks nasty, but it's fire, man. Alright guys, well that's pretty much it for the video. I wish I could have kept recording, but obviously I ran out of sunlight And then the freaking lever, the shift lever, didn't have the actual thread for me to install the shift knob and the accessory. So it's all good. Alright guys, well, this weekend I do have more stuff coming up, so do stay tuned for those videos. Other than that, stay blessed and peace out, guys. I'll see you guys next time. Alright guys, take care.